I'm sorry, I'm just now realizing that I haven't really been talking much. I've been doing a few things, but I haven't really been vlogging like that because I've been working for the most part, which is really not worth me like recording, honestly. So right now I just got done getting ready. We're gonna go to get a wood therapy massage because I need it. You guys are gonna come with me. Is it recording? Yes, it is. So we're gonna do that, and I'm actually in a rush because I'm running late as usual. So yeah, this is pretty much what's going on, and this is what I'm wearing. Just a simple cardigan, and then so yeah, nothing really special. The weather is actually surprisingly pretty good today, so this is what we're gonna do. And yeah, my hair is a mess. I'm tired of this. It's dry as hell. It's nasty. It's dirty. I have to wash it, but I've been just procrastinating because I just don't feel like going through the whole detangling process. Pretty sure y'all can relate to this. But yeah, so oh my god, yeah, I gotta go, so you guys are gonna come with me.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
So I know you're here for wood therapy. You booked for?
Yes, wood therapy.
Okay, no problem. I actually do offer a free consultation in your session. Okay. So what we'll do today is I'm gonna walk you over here. All right. So here's a paper bra and a paper panty. I'm gonna set it here. When you come on this side, you can hang up your purse, your clothes, whatever you want on these hooks right here, and then just put your shoes all the way to the side because I'm gonna work around both sides of the table.
Okay. Okay.
And then I'm gonna close this up so you can have privacy and get changed. Face that way.
I say I feel amazing. Like, she did such a good job. My waist initially was, I believe, 28.85, something like that. By the time we finished, it was just like, we measured, and then I was at 27, 27, 25 or something like that. I was just like, what? Excuse me? Excuse me? Look at this. It is what it is. Yeah, I think this bag is actually okay. It's good. We're gonna go grocery shopping. There's a few things I need to buy. Ew, this angle. I want to get some flowers, but I don't know which one to pick. Ooh, I like these. I like these a lot. I don't know, they don't look like much of a selection, honestly, but these are nice. I think I'm gonna go with these though. I don't know, I like them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these and actually like maybe mix it up a little bit with this color as well. Yeah, I'm really liking the orange one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. I love, 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 love. Like that. And then this one as well. This one as well. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get some pineapple. I'm just gonna go with the coffee mate. I have like most of the stuff that I need, honestly, so it's just me getting like the little extras. This is one of my favorite like body wash. So anything coffee, I'm in. Oh, they have Aussie. Okay, I didn't come on this. Oh, they have my shampoo. Okay, I was only on one section. Okay. They have it. They have the Aussie. They have the Aussie. Yay! I'm excited. For everybody asking me, how do I get to detangle my hair like that? Easily on my wash and goes. This is the reason why I'm addicted to Aussie. Since I tried these, I never got back to any other shampoo or conditioner. And the avocado one is definitely my favorite. It's the moisturizing one. So I definitely recommend the one with avocado and jojoba oil.
Figuring it out and planning it out.
Didn't know they actually had the chai latte. I want to try that one. Ooh, this looks so good. Hold on. Let's get this party started. I think what I'm gonna do is I have this little faux tree, whatever situation going on here. So I'm gonna take it and then put it in my, I guess in my bedroom. Yeah, I think that will make more sense. So look at how light it is. Hurt. I think.
Hey, this that new fashion. I don't even really do fashion. Sweater game on 1,000. Got the OJ in the juice with me. Fit the Uber about 250. Fiji water in the backpack. Told shorty I don't do Zans. I don't need smoke and I never kick it with no broke hoes. All my niggas shining like so glow. Got a gold chain on my neck now. I ain't getting money on the block when you probably still wearing Nike socks. I ain't kinda hot. I'm the rap game, Kate Moss. Everybody wanna floss, but they ain't paying what it costs. Oh yeah, yeah. Show me the Audi. I want the summer in Maui. I want the money and fame. I want the rain. Hey, hey. I want the diamonds, glossy, sauce, and what's the way? Yeah, yeah. Show me the way. Hey, hey. Show me the way. Yeah, yeah. I want the Audi. I want the summer in Maui. I want the money and fame. I want the rain. Yeah, hey. I want the diamonds, glossy, sauce, and what's the way? Yeah, yeah. Show me the way. Hey, hey. Show me the way. Can't wait in my visa. I don't wanna wait to stun. There's no reason. Pull up in the whip, it's black as Moesha. And I band dance. I want my pay in advance. All these boys from the south side trying to beat me. I guess it's a growing demand. I've been the man since I was pissing in the crib. Now it's something on my wrist. iPhone hella buzz. I ain't even taking pics. Steady plotting on the fix. I want the keys to the Rari. I want like hundreds of hits. Why these rap niggas sus? I'm just hooping in my chucks. Hit the cottage when I'm up. Shawty said she wanna talk, but I already got enough. Tell me when you wanna fuck. Show me the Audi. I want the summer.
Alright, well, I guess it was worth it.
Money and fame. I want the rain. Hey, hey. I want the diamonds, close the sauce, and what's the way? Yeah, yeah. Show me the way. Hey, hey. Show me the way. Yeah, yeah. I want the Audi. I want the summer in Maui. I want the money
Boy,
and fame.
come on. And then this is the aftermath. Like what? Excuse me. But okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, right? It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. It's alright. It's okay. Right? It's okay. I'm done for today. I am really done for today. I was not expecting it to be this much work. And I'll have to like literally sweep like all of this. Like what the hell? But yeah, it's a cute little Christmas tree. Alright, y'all. This is the end of the vlog.